Hello and welcome to Miss Shaw's learning video for Friday. We are working with the numbers 1 through 5. So for today, you're going to click on the pictures on the whiteboard to see extra YouTube videos about that number. You may have already been practicing with this, and if you have, that's great. These pictures represent the number 1. They have the numeral 1, the number word 1, and 1 on a 10 frame. So you can click on any one of these 3 icons on the whiteboard and it will take you to a new video on YouTube. There should be 3 different videos for each number. So you're going to go through the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your time to practice for each number, slide 1 through 5, try to pick 2 choices on the number board to do. The total should be 10 squares that you complete. Some squares can't be written down, and I'll show you on the next slide. It's okay, just practice and have fun. If you want to take a picture of your favorite ones that you did and send it, that's great. So here is your numbers choice board. There are 20 different options. So you may not have some of the supplies that you need for some of these things, and that's okay. So if, for example, you don't have supplies, you don't have Play-Doh at home, then you don't have to pick maybe 10. Do what you can do with the things you already have at your house. Okay, so here's an example. Use your finger to trace the number in a tray of salt or sand. If you choose to do that one, you can just pour a little bit of salt into a plate, not very much, and trace the number, and then take a picture of yourself doing that. That's as easy as it can be. This is really designed to be something fun. Okay, so don't think that you have to take a picture of every single activity that you do. It's just designed to help you practice. And I have to say thank you for working so hard this week. I'm really, really proud of you. I was looking at all of the math work that you've been doing and writing your numbers and matching quantities 1 to 5, and you have been working really hard. So keep it up, and I'm excited to see you next week. Have a good weekend.